What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I want to explain something to you. If you're insistent on trading penny stocks, I want you to listen to this video. So a lot of people have seen my YouTube channel when it comes to penny stocks, the things that I teach you, but a lot of people are making mistakes. And I want to correct the number one mistake, right? Even after I explained this so many videos. So if you're on my YouTube channel for penny stocks, listen to this. Or you're just interested in penny stocks, listen to this. A lot of us know that penny stocks is rewarding. We make a lot of money. But then a lot of people will look at reward rather than risk. Therefore, they're going to do stupid things, right? And that is why 90% of people lose money in the stock market and only 10% make it consistent and make money in the stock market, because they understand how the stock market works. They understand how penny stocks work. So, here's the thing, and this is important, guys. A lot of yous want to invest in penny stocks. You want to buy and hold the stock, right? Not a high cap stock, but a penny stock. Even after I told you that 50% of penny stocks will fail. That means not 10, not 20, but 50% of penny stocks will fail, right? They'll just disappear. Bye-bye. They don't exist anymore. Your money's gone, or your money is halved because the stock dropped in value. 50%. Can you predict which 50% will succeed? No. So, what makes you think you can put your money, hard-earned money, in a stock, a penny stock that doesn't have revenue, products, deep in losses, so vulnerable to manipulation? What makes you think you can invest in that stock and hold it for a week or 2 weeks, even 3 days? What makes you think you can do that? Oh, because I done that last time and it worked out for me. Okay, well that was one time. Do you think the next outcome is going to be the same? Absolutely not. And that's why most people lose money in the stock market, because they think they made money, that was beginner's luck. They made money and they can think they can do it again. You're not going to do this again. You're still in the 90%. You want consistency. So now that you know that 50% of penny stocks will fail and you can't predict these penny stocks, matter of fact, these penny stocks, right? Go outside your house today, look outside, there's an office building, right? That is the penny stock. Not the office building. The unit, the office unit inside that building, that is the stock, that is the company that you're investing in, that doesn't have products, doesn't have revenue. It's just somebody on a desk that says blah 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 Pharmaceuticals Inc. and they're outsourcing everything. That is the company that you want to invest in. So you're going to say, how do I make money? I always preach to you, let's trade, and I told you how we can trade these penny stocks. I showed you, matter of fact. Pharmaceutical penny stocks. We buy and sell on the same day. No hesitation. We know when they will spike in value because we only trade biopharma penny stocks. And we trade the catalysts, the FDA approvals, the positive results or the negative results when they come out to test the drugs. Those are the stocks that we trade. So don't invest in penny stocks. You trade penny stocks. And understand, penny stocks are so vulnerable to manipulation. I'm going to explain to you how. Well, let's say there's a company that has a market cap of 10 million, right? That's how much it's worth, 10 million altogether. Me and my buddies, between us, we can come up with 2 million trading money. Therefore, we're going to buy that stock because of 10 million, and then we're going to add 2 more million. What do you think is going to happen? The algorithm is going to say, push the stock higher. The stock is going to go higher, right? You and the rest of your friends trading and investing, you've seen the stock spiking higher, you're going to want to jump into that stock. You're going to want to buy that stock because you've seen a spike. You're like, oh, that's such a good investment, right? It just spiked, something happened. And guess what? As soon as you jump in and you raise the stock higher further, we're going to take our money out and we're going to make profit and you lose. So that's called pump and dump, market manipulation. And it still exists until today, but you don't know it. These groups, you know, these market watchers, whatever they are, trading rooms, that's how they do things. They will jump and manipulate the stock together. So what I need you to understand, guys, there's no way you can become successful at penny stocks if you don't trade the bread and butter of everything since the 80s. Trials, news, catalysts, FDA approvals. You have to trade them. You don't invest in them. If you have insider information regarding a penny stock or a stock, then go ahead and invest, knowing that you have insider information, right? I'll see you again for another, guys. Just like always, hopefully you understand where I'm coming from. Remember, always look at the risk rather than the reward, because you will be blinded by the reward and you lose a lot of money. And don't think just because you invested in a stock previously or StockTwit told you to invest in this stock, you can actually go ahead and follow that. Nah, you want to be successful, you do your own thing. Peace and love, just like always.